Good, that's nice. Yeah, put in the end, put a little bit. Especially right here at the toe plate and some more.
Oh, there we go. Good stretch. Right there.
You going out for dinner tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna go out. We're gonna hang out with Tracy, and Kim, and everybody.
Make a little room for the big toe over there. Just make a little room for the big toe. Yeah. It's like a little cherry in there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. All right. Let's go north.
Okay.
We have a, oh, you want, yeah.
Oops.
Yeah, so we push this border down. Hopefully you've got some video editing software.
Yes.
Yeah, so not too much over the other cast itself. So it kind of weakens the laminating. Yeah, right there's great. Okay. And give me just a little bit more, like a little more of a cuff up here. Good. That's fine.
And this one is you push down on the front of the cast.
Yeah.
You're good. You're good.
Go back. So, Mr. Barker, did you hear that? Not only do they have a dedicated doctor, but he's a dedicated doctor who's willing to follow them from
I know.
Hawaii
I heard
to the
that.
East Coast.
Yes.
That is awesome.
Yeah, we're thrilled.
Mm-hmm.
I told you they were threatening to send us to San Diego instead of DC.
Oh, really?
Yeah. My husband called the detailer and explained to them that if they sent us to San Diego, that they would still have to pay to send us here.
There we go. Now, will you go home with her in Cass or Ava's?
No, in Cass for now, probably. Unless we get to where we think we're going to get, but probably Cass.
Probably, but we'll see.
Yeah.
Just for a second.
And this one is this.
That's good.
No.
So she's not a real bruiser.
No.
No, not yet.
Give her time.
Yeah.
She'll be a Peyton before long.
This has squished the front of
Kicking
that
us all over the
thigh
table.
down really hard.
Strong.
His torso is, I tell you.
All right.
Peyton's
Peyton?
torso, gosh.